What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning and welcome to your daily Solana update. This is also really an update on what I said yesterday because we reached our price target already. Let me quickly look it up. What I said yesterday is, and I dragged it up a little bit for the thumbnail, but what I said is that we would probably, yesterday we were struggling with $11. I said that we would probably get above that and get towards $12, and then from there, I believe what I said is that it was more likely to kind of consolidate, and then if the market remained relatively bullish, we would also go up to 12.5. But we have reached $12 right now. You can see that we're rejecting back down. So yeah, to be honest, Solana right now is in a very important point. Because there are a lot of things happening in the market. The market I would still consider relatively bullish. But then you take a look at, for example, the dollar strength index, which is negatively correlated with crypto. This is very bullish. In the last couple of hours, it has been very bullish. So this is bad, all right? This is bad for the entirety of crypto, so also for Solana. What's helping Solana though, and it's an idea and a theory which was already introduced yesterday in the video, but there seems to be institutional money flowing into Solana. Which you can see right here, which is a good and a bad thing, all right? It could be manipulation, could also be investment. So right here, for example, earlier today, and we got the same yesterday, kind of around the same times, what you can see is that over $30 million in volume was added in 10 minutes. Or no, it was actually 20 million in 10 minutes. Which is a lot of money. That's not normal price behavior, right? You can also see that significantly changes the trajectory of the volume, and that happened 3 times already ever since this recovery. So I want to say that if you are trading Solana right now, be careful, because if there's price movements like that, it could also be manipulation. That means that there's a realistic chance that we will crash down to $10.09.5 soon again. Alright, that also makes my job a little bit harder of analyzing it. For now, what's going to happen, I think, is that $12 is, well, it's just technically quite a strong resistance level. So unless we get another one of those institutional moves, which I cannot predict, I'm not an institution, unless we get that, I think we will drop down, stay between $11 and $12. And then if we can stay on top of that, for 12 or not for 12 but for 2 days or something like that, I really think we need to confirm and validate the breakout above 11.3 and $11, which is technically the entire level. I feel like we need to confirm that before I can tell you that we're going up to 12.5 and $13, because as of right now, when I made the analysis, I thought going up to 12.5 and $13 was the most likely scenario, given those institutional moves, given the trend that Solana is in right now. But with the dollar strength index rising like this, and don't look at this, that's just what I drew, rising like this, but also the risk of manipulation, I'm pretty scared. I'm pretty scared of analyzing Solana, because honestly, and I know that this doesn't help you in any way, but it's the truth. Honestly, I could also see it happening that we will drop down. And why I say that we need to confirm it is because what could also happen is that we find some support there, then have a bearish breakout and drop back down to $10. So we really need to stay above $11. If we can do that for 2 days, but I'll be back with another analysis tomorrow. But if we can really do that, then I think we can get up to 12.5 and $13. That's also still my most likely scenario at this point of time. But as I said, the market circumstances around Solana right now are very weird and volatile, so please be careful and know that the strength of this analysis is probably a little bit lower than for other cryptos. If we take a quick look at Solana, which I always like to do, you can click away. That was my analysis, but what I usually like to do is I like to check out some statistics around Solana. Let's see if they have changed with these price movements. You can see that the total value locked is growing a little bit since the new year, but it's still pretty low. All right, so that's my full take on Solana for today. If you do have any questions, as always, let me know. But for now, take care, have a great day, and bye.